Okay, we're here at Mines and Meadows. First time out for one guy, and it's that guy right there.
This ain't my first time.
At Mines and Meadows? No.
No.
But first time with what?
My new machine.
Which would be right there. You can't miss it. It doesn't even have any. The only dust it's got on it is the tires because he just drove it across the parking lot when we got here. 2023 RMAX XRT, owned by Gregory Bodkin, and we're thinking we're going to get it deep in a mud hole today.
No, we're not. I'm going to go around the puddle.
Real deep.
No, I'm going around him.
There's my machine, 22 RMAX XTR. And in the back, we got Old Faithful, Jerry's Polaris Ranger.
The UTV Medic.
UTV Medic. Full cab. All his tools in the back in case we break down. And there's the man, the myth, the legend right there, the UTV Medic.
It's me. My license is expired, but I'll still work on it.
So what do you think, Jerry? Should first mud hole, we should make Greg go in first?
Well, he's got the biggest machine and it's the cleanest one.
I don't have the biggest.
You got to get deep, Greg.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Tan and brown, but it'll be all brown by the time.
Look at the windshield, doesn't have a dust on it. Only the tires from the parking lot. Surprised he didn't wrap the tires up before he drove it over here.
He got a little mud on him the other day when we loaded it up.
Oh, did he? Look at all the fancy things he's done to this too. Got his radio, speaker, fender flares, mirrors. He got the fancy mirrors.
Here, you got a hammer? Hammer?
Oh, I didn't see these either. He added these. That's pretty nice. Anything else you want to say?
That's really going to hurt my feelings to get it all muddy. It took me so long to put everything on it.
Just commenting on, I like this. Those are nice.
Hear what he said? Well, the problem with those is, you know, I think they'd be fine for small stuff, but in terms of tying anything on it where you got to torque it one way or the other, I'd have some issues with that because these are only really attached to clips underneath the plastic.
Yeah. They
look cool as hell, but I'm not so sure I like the idea of tying anything off with it, anything heavy.
Got his new stickers on the back. I just wanted to see how on my 22, those are new tires. I think we mentioned in a previous video I went with 32-inch tires, SEDONA Rockabillys. Of course, a spring kit. Well, yeah, looking forward to getting muddy today. We'll come back and give you more when we get on the trail.
Okay, maiden voyage. We're underway. Devin, what do you think? New ride?
New ride. Let's go kick some ass.
Greg, can you hear me?
I got you.
Jerry, can you hear me? No, it's just...
We're not doing that. So here you see that I high centered and wasn't able to finish the climb up this hill. Now how in the heck could I not get up this hill when Rob made it up with no problem? I think the answer is pretty simple. My stock machine clearance is about 12 inches in the front, 11 to 12 inches in the back, and 15 and a quarter on the sides. Rob's was the same before that, but after a few modifications, particularly the Schmitty Racing Swift spring kit, he raised his machine height to about 14 inches, gaining roughly 2 inches all the way around. That doesn't seem like much, but it changed the ride totally. Much smoother, no teeth chattering, bouncing, and then he added 32-inch SEDONA Rockabilly tires. That gave him 16 inches in the front, 17 in the rear, and 18 on the sides. Should be no question as to why he was successful in making this climb. We talked about the spring kit installation in a previous video. I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. What are you doing, Jer? Always got to fix something. Come, Robbie. Come on. Look at him. Wait, I gotta get a head start. want you to know, the last time it looked like this, I wasn't driving that time either. Meet Wayne Jr.
That's not nice. That's a family shit.
Jerry, Wayne, and Greg was a threesome. You get a better deal.
What kind of group is this?